What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In my last video I mentioned I had 5 issues with the GTI. Let's quickly recap them. My wheel alignment. I have this massive dent in my wing. Quite a bit of rust on my other wheel arch. I have this horrible screeching noise coming from this wheel. I've got this horrible knocking noise coming from when I turn the steering wheel from lock to lock. And at the end of the video I said we're going to go through them and fix them together. Before we start, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe for more, and let's get straight into it.
Linking on my brain. Okay.
Today's video I'm fixing issue number 4. In my last video I mentioned that issue number 4 was that I had this horrible scraping noise in my brake caliper. I'm pretty sure that there was a stone trapped between the brake pad and the brake disc, and the stone was just rubbing against the disc, causing this horrible screeching noise. I took the car to work, I ripped open the brakes, and this is what I found. Check it out.
Shot birds, get a pot stir. High if you think I wanna watch first. Block work made 100 in a tech fit. 12 bills for a Mary, this just rips. No Z flips, half brick min. Pigs pre, I sold 3 bricks, switch Sims. Young and making money like an OG. And I can't remember getting cold feet. B2 fees, I got budging them. Getting like me, think you could've then you should've them. We're the ones pulling them, and that's known fact. 4 flats said and 4 4s full of them. Hammer on me look like something out of films. Bitch trim me look like something out of films. Big bro told me I should chill. Calm at the spar again, I done a drill. Spin a pot twice, let it look nice. What you mean no one's there, spin a block twice. They ain't coming round there, nothing's nice. Grab wet and I put in there rice. 54 brick, I need a better price. Whole brick or bush, double it, put it in a vice. I ain't lying, I can put it on my life. It's really frying, I can put it on a guy.
And there we have it, guys. As you can see, it's ripped into the pad a little bit. Must have been a stone stuck between the pad and the disc, and that was causing my horrible scraping noise.
See me with your bitch, my apologies.
If you see me in the kitchen, don't bother me.
Flat birds on me, getting back. Came a long way from trying to pebble that. G6 free with the leather dash. Rolling with the hotter, you can never smash. Last reload was lit, they want an encore. But the trap's kinda hot, I'm kinda unsure. 6-bed mansion, 1-4. Already made M's, I'm trying to run more. I was a little nigga with some big dreams. I was 16 trying to hit fiends. Never heard your name up in the brick scene. Spent like 15 on some ripped jeans. First nigga with a scaly on my land. Please don't hit my cell if you ain't buying. 0 L's on my record, niggas trying. I just make a call and niggas get framed. 5980, wrist kinda weighty. Arch round hatting and your name's kinda shaky. All trap money, no AC. Came a long way from the A3. If I get the drop, they'll red at it top. Give 'em one shot, that's lead at the Glock. Little niggas might tread on your block, and now I can't tell them to stop.
Hunger pain, then the money came. Probably hit your bitch on another day.
Probably made your boyfriend his first 100K. Probably sold you a brick with the underlay.
Probably
drop the brick price, fuck up the economy. If you see me with your bitch, my apologies.
If you see me in the kitchen, don't bother me.
There you have it, guys. I hope the video was helpful. If you've got screeching or even squeaky brakes, that should definitely fix your problem. Still got loads of more issues with my car, like I mentioned in my previous video, so we're going to still be fixing them together. And a couple of people messaged me about water leaks in their car and knocking noises coming from their car as well, and I'm pretty sure I have some of their solutions. So if you've got any questions, just drop me a message or a DM on Instagram, and maybe I'll make a video on it and maybe we can fix these issues together. Check me out on Instagram. I'm always posting pictures of my car. I'm even going to be doing more things like selling parts of my car that I no longer need, and even doing other things like giveaways and polls. So make sure you check out my Instagram as well. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can keep up to date with all my posted videos, and we can get through these issues together. If you enjoyed the video, you found it helpful, make sure you smash that like button down below. And if you want to check out some more future videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button too. Until then, I'll see you in the next one.
Selective bad boy, sure. Could never be us, man. Got by a 9mm. Fill it up for anybody that want beef us. They're talking to social media.